Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. We're an education channel and like to share our ideas. What I'm trying to do tonight is put together a watch list for tomorrow. The market has been mixed, so I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. Nobody can predict the future anyway. We have some earning reports and today we had the CPI and inflation's up, and I don't think that reacted too well. The market was in positive territory for the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Dow, but it's not much movement here. It looked like the market was pretty well mixed. This is FinViz. It's free. There's some advertisements on it, but it's pretty kind of neat. Basic materials seem to be doing quite well. Energy for the week and financials. I have a Discord chat, and I have an algorithm that I wrote in OmniBroker, and it gives me the RSI and the MACD, which is mostly I use, and it has a stochastic RSI. There's some people that like that, but there's many more singles usually for this, and I rely on these two. That's why they're colored. And depending on tomorrow, if it's an up day or a down day, here's some ideas to take a look at. And it's based on zero lag MACD. When it's below the zero line, that's the time to take a long. The stochastic RSI, when it's below the 20, that's the time to take a long. Likewise, the opposite for when it's above the 80 and comes back around. We have to wait till it comes around. And this is not quite around. And sometimes I jump the gun. And the RSI, which is set at 4 periods. It's fast. And when it comes below the 30, it's in an oversold condition. And then when it comes back around, it's asking for a long. Likewise, above the 70, come back around. That's the time to go short. And that's what this list is based on, those indicators. That trade list is free. We're going to go over that a little bit. And that's what I heavily depend on. And then I have a listing of my entire watch list, and whether it's trending or not, and it's based on the slope, and it may help you decide whether you want to trade it or not. Boeing, as I've been looking at it, and it wasn't trending at the time I looked at it yesterday. Let's see what it is. No trend and short-term reversal. So it's risky. It doesn't know which direction according to the slope. A little later in the year, I say it's going to go up. Boeing. Their orders are starting to come in. Anyway, that's another one, free tool. But the first one I want to talk about, first two, I have a next level, and that's the 3 indicator, and that's when all three of those indicators, the RSI, the MACD, and the stochastic RSI, occur within a day or two of each other. And I have that trade list out, and I have it back tested, and it's saying that there's new entry symbols for the CCI and the XLT. And what this is, it's tuned to stay in a trade longer and to scale in. And so this is a little bit more sophisticated. The win rate is slightly lower than the win rate of the zigzag, but the trades tend to last a little longer, and I like them for options. So I'm going to look at CCI and XLT first. And this is on the paid side, and it's $4, okay, to help me out with some costs. There's an undervalued and growing stock list, and the 3 indicator again, this time using a slightly tuned watch list, some of the better stocks, and only using $10,000. So there's some other options that you can get with a paid membership, $4 a month. Crown Castle International, it's a real estate and finance company. Had a good day today. It zigzags pretty nicely. And if you could find indicators that would show when to buy and when to sell, and that did it quite nicely. Now we got the stochastic RSI coming back around. We have the RSI coming back around, and we have this below the zero line. All signs to go long, but this is earnings. A lot of people don't like to do that. The zigzag does not know what it's doing. That's when we like to take it, and it possibly could go up. Whether it goes up or down, you can't predict it. All you can use is indicators. Look at the past. I use the zigzag to look at the optimal, and then try to find indicators to satisfy that. I'm thinking CCI could be a long. The next one on that paid list, I call that the 3 indicator list, with all 3 occurring at the same time. This is an ETF, and it's a telecom. And look at that nice swings. Zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. might be going up. The stochastic RSI coming back around. The zero lag is below the zero line. That's the time to go long, or thinking about long. I'm using the other indicators. This is 3 indicators, and so is the RSI came back around. It looked like it's still a bounce there, but now that's because it's red bar today. Is it going up? Going down? Is the telecom sector going to be a good sector to be in? I think so. Anyway, there's 2 longs for you. Looking at our free list, and I'm going to try to find somewhere in the $30 to $80 range. That's a pretty expensive stock there. Humana I mentioned yesterday. Let's look at SQM. It's a $56 stock. This is a lithium stock. I also had a LAC yesterday, lithium stock. Looks like it's going up. We had a downward drop, and the RSI would have predicted that, and the MACD would have predicted that. This would have not. The stochastic RSI would have not predicted that down. But we got the RSI saying it's going up, the stochastic RSI saying going up, and the MACD is below the zero line just slightly. It looked like it crossed today. Is it too late? Zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. Is it too late for this to go up? Did you miss it? That's your 50% retracement. It should go up a little bit more. Take it or leave it. SQM, lithium. By the way, TradingView allows you to do a watch list, and you can do their scanner and select a watch list and trade only those symbols. You have to get to know your watch list. BAC had some good news today that they've dropped the overdraft fees. I'm showing a short here. I am in BBY, Bath & Beyond. I'm short on that. Let's look at NVDA for a long, and then we'll pick a short over. Chip maker, everybody's talking about it. Zigzag doesn't know what it's doing, thinks it might go up. MACD is below the zero line. That's one of our conditions. The stochastic RSI is crossing, but this was an RSI crossed. Is the MACD showing a long? Is this a long? I do think it's a time. Technology did well today. I think it's the last 3 days. Technology has been doing quite nicely. And we'll look at Merck for a short. Nice. Oops. Zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. Looks like it's short. I had a play here to go long, and I lost money on Merck there. But now MACD is saying short. Stochastic RSI short, and the RSI earnings coming up. I guess I do think it's a short. What do you think of that trade? Short, long? Again, we're swing traders. We try to capture these swings. This is a perfect indicator because it looks to future data, so you can't use this to trade on the zigzag. But you can use it to select indicators that all occur within a few bars of each other to go long. Likewise, there's a short, and they all occurred together to go short. We looked at CCI to go long, XTL, which is an ETF to go long. That's a telecommunications ETF. I kind of like that idea. We looked at NVDA to go long for an MACD. We looked at SQM, which is a lithium stock to go long. And we looked at Merck to go short. This is a watch list that's out there on my Discord chat. Feel free to use it to get some ideas. Then do your own due diligence. You're responsible for your trades. You're actually probably a better trader than I am. Get a watch list. Start with small watch list and learn the stocks. And then watch for your indicators. Well, that's all I need for my trading day tomorrow because I'm running out of money. And I have enough money for 2 or 3 trades. I'm going to be careful this week because the market is erratic. Doesn't seem to be going anywhere, really. Please like and subscribe to this video. My channel could use your help. I hope you like what you're doing because I do. And my trading is getting better since my attitude got better. And since I've been sharing with these videos, my trading has gotten tremendously better. I'm better prepared in the morning because you have to prepare for these videos. It's better preparation. Anyway, catch you on the flip. Happy trading.